There's this one table, it's called periodic. It's got metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Periodic law states how they're arranged. Alkaline metals are first, followed by alkaline earth metals coming in second. Keeping this going from the left to the right, you got inner transition and transition metals. Take it to the right, you got halogens and noble gases. More on how it is arranged. We got atomic radius, ionization energy, and electronegativity. One last bit about how they're placed. You got cations and anions changing their face. Now that we know all their places, let's see how they get to different spaces. Starting out simple. We got amplitude, wavelength, and frequency. It's all about the waves like oceans and dawn. We got the height and the length and how fast they spawn. We continue our rap going about how they interact. Now we don't need no correcting, but here's a bit about the electromagnetic spectrum. You got your lows and your highs, put them together, you polarize. For those who forgot, it's not called a photo, it's called the photon that follows the photoelectric effect. You got these two old dudes who came up with stuff. You got Planck's constant and the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. If you got bored and you're in your ground state, we'll bring in new faces to change. Don't know how atoms appear, you better listen up so you don't fear. Now we're gonna look at the quantum mechanical model, but first let's take a break and do the waddle. We'll take a look at electrons, how they look and how they act. Electrons are everywhere. Electrons are everywhere, just like the crowd. Put them together, you got electron cloud. You got electron cloud. You got electron in opposite direction. Filling up atomic orbitals using Hund's rule. Filling closed shells first, thinking you're cool. It's called the Aufbau principle. Now don't be a fool. The electrons, we've explained where and how. It's called electron configuration. Can I get a wow? Last part, we've got one more term, the Pauli exclusion principle, and don't you squirm. No two electrons have the same four quantum numbers, just like everyone's different, even us cucumbers. We've just stated all you need to know about Chemistry 101, yo.